Meaning of egghead.
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 Egghead. The term egghead is a colloquialism used to describe someone who is highly intellectual or academic. The word itself is a compound noun, with egg meaning the head and head referring to the intellect. It is often used in a derogatory fashion to imply that the person is overly focused on academia and lacks social skills or practical knowledge. However, the term has evolved over time and can also be used in a more playful or affectionate way among friends or colleagues who share a love of learning.